As you can see, my trusty 1998 RAV4 here is carrying its fair share of dirt and grime. Melting snow and dirt roads have turned my dark green Toyota into a rather camouflaged brown. Not for long, because today we're going to get it looking spiff and span. A fresh wash can be a placebo effect. An old car always drives better after a nice detail. Before I start spraying, comment your rides down below and what your experience has been with them. I'll be sure to read all the comments. Give a like if you enjoy the videos and subscribe to stick around for more. Even the most unassuming daily drivers deserve a moment to shine, and keeping a car like this clean and cared for makes all the difference in its longevity and character. Fighting rust and corrosion is a big deal with these old Toyotas and all vehicles. A quick wash and basic upkeep can transform an old overlooked vehicle into something that feels a little bit more special. It's not just about appearance, it's about maintaining pride in what gets you around no matter its age or value. This 1998 Toyota RAV4 is a bit of a gem, especially with its 5-speed manual transmission and locking center differential. Powered by a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, it's a compact SUV that brought lots of practicality and off-road capability to the masses in the late 90s. Even today, it still retains most of that value to me, although competing with modern cars on the road. First generation RAV4, introduced in 1996, was one of the pioneers of the crossover segment, like the Honda CR-V. Blending together the maneuverability of a car with the ruggedness of an SUV, it has a lightweight design and full-time all-wheel drive. It's surprisingly agile and also fun to drive, whether you're cruising or traveling down a snowy trail. This RAV4 feels like the perfect middle ground between some of the cars I've owned and teeter-totter between. My sportier rides were a blast on the road, but couldn't handle the dirt trails and backcountry spots I love to explore, while my classic trucks and 4x4s had the capability but were sluggish and guzzled fuel. For more than one reason, the RAV4 is a nice middle ground, still slow but a little better on fuel, very modest and cheap, with most simple work being easy to DIY for a non-mechanic like me. The RAV4 is a great bean-shaped, boring blend that works out to be a perfect daily driver. It's not just the practicality that makes the RAV4 stand out though, it's the character it develops over time. Every dent, scratch, and patch of peeling clear coat tells a story of adventures past, from hauling gear on trips to enduring countless winter commutes. It's surely a car that doesn't demand much but gives back more than its fair share. You don't always need the flashiest ride to enjoy the journey, and with a little effort to keep it clean and running smoothly, this trusty RAV4 feels ready for many more miles of memories ahead, I hope.